So we've got 4 pō down there. So one of the pōs is the environment. How do we look after the environment we're in over the next 50 to 100 years? What does that all look like with our waterways, the roading, the wastewater? The other part is economic based. How do we keep ourselves sustainable to keep those roads, pristine? To mow the lawns all the time, to keep our gardens. And the third one is the social need. So although we're taking care of all us, but what about outside that circle? And then the last one for us is, what is the culture? First of all, the culture is whānau first. So there's only 2 things to that. No gang pictures and no meth. We've travelled that journey. My whānau suffered in that journey. So thinking a bit higher than just having a roof over your head, but looking at it from a strategic perspective too, on what Papa Oranga can do for us.
Yeah.